Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards for your daily energies, guys, for your career situation, your love energy, and your general guidance. So these are for your daily energies, Cancers. I'll be picking two cards from this deck, guys. This is for your career situation and love reading. So this is for your career situation, Cancers, and this is for your love reading, Cancer, and one card from the oracle guidance deck. So one card from this deck. This will be a general guidance, what we can follow every day that will bring more harmony and happiness in our situation, guys. Cancer. So let's start with the daily reading first. Queen of Wands in reverse, the Star, and King of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card in your situation today, guys, you are regaining that confidence and strength, the determination you have in your situation, guys, the inspiration and faith in your future, and you are able to balance, find that balance in your life today. You have faced lots of stress and trials till now, maybe in your personal life or in your professional life, but you are able to balance yourself, find that harmony amid these troubles or stressful situations, and you feel that happiness and contentment in your heart of hearts. That peace is there in your mind, in your heart. So that is what I see with these cards, Cancers. And there may be troubles that you're facing, trials are there in your career or in your personal life. Though you are putting in lots of efforts, though you have that peacefulness in you, there are certain circumstances that are troubling you today, working against you. People may be working against you. There are people who are jealous of you because of the way you handle your situation. So no matter what your situation is, you are able to find peace within yourself, guys. And for some of you, in your circumstance, there may be people who have certain habits, or it may be your energy. You are addicted to some habits and you're finding it really difficult to overcome these habits, or it may be something on the part of your person. They may have some habits and weakness because of that. So some kind of weakness you may be having, or someone from your family, friends, or this person, that is affecting you, guys. So you find it really difficult to overcome this weakness. That is what I see with this card, guys, for your general energies, Cancer. So let us see what is the card for your career situation here. Eight of Fire. So with this card in your career situation, guys, you are making great changes in your career. You are changing the way you handle your situation and change the way you are working, and you are gaining that momentum towards success. You are making great progress. Maybe for some of you, you may even be traveling to a different place or different city for work, or you are changing your place of work, taking a new job maybe. So that is what I see here. Maybe some sudden changes in your workplace, or some sudden travel plans may come up. That is what I see with this card here, guys, for your career situation, Cancer. So for your relationship, King of Water. So with this card in your personal life situation, guys, you are very generous and you are very kind person in your life, and this may be your energy, or this may be what you feel about your person, and you feel this person is very helpful, and they are very fair, they respect your role in this connection, and they listen to you, they care for you. You both may share that mutual love and respect. That may be the reason that this relationship may be heading making positive progress towards engagement or marriage, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. So what is the card for your oracle guidance? A change in the wind. So with this card stands for transformation, guys. So in our career or in our personal life, some great changes are happening. So some kind of transformation is taking place. Sometimes in our relationship we may feel that we do not share that great understanding. Certain troubles, maybe through some fights or arguments or some misunderstandings, may be there. So in order to find that balance, you just have to remove yourself from that stressful state. Maybe take time, take a break. Maybe for some of you it may be a literal physical break, staying away from that person, or for some of you, you can just be quiet till everything quietens down. Then you can communicate with a better response instead of reaction. So when you do that, you will see that things will progress in a very positive way. Just like when you feel certain circumstances are out of control, guys, you have to wait it out. When you do that, when you just hold on to your place to see these stressful times just passing out, you will see that everything will be well, everything will go well. So that is the reading, guys, with this card, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Cancers.